This 2020 Forest River Forester 2861DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, skylight, stovetop burner, DVD player, external shower, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2020 Forest River Forester 2861DS is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.